In today's video, we're going to be doing the Mindful Souls monthly box unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you're new. Make sure that you subscribe, that way you'll never miss out on another video. Okay, so you guys have seen me do a monthly Goddess Provisions unboxing, which I love to do every single month, but Mindful Souls reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to unbox their monthly subscription box. And you guys know I love this, so I said yes, and this is the box. Now, the fun thing about Mindful Souls is that it is only $39.97 a month, and you can cancel anytime. It's free shipping. Another thing is that it's a whole store on their website, so you could get crystals, you can get so many different kind of spiritual items. It's really fun browsing through their shop, so I'm really excited to see what's in their curated box. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Oh, by the way, I do have a 20% off code for anybody that's interested in shopping at Mindful Souls website or getting the box. I have a 20% discount code, and I'll leave it down below for you guys. Let's open up the box. As soon as you open it, this is what it looks like inside. You guys know I love the card because the card tells you everything that's in there and descriptions, and ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so as you open the box, here is what the inside looks like. Very nice and pretty, earthy, colorful. Right off the bat, I see some sage. The first thing that I grabbed here is sage. So it looks like it's crushed up sage pieces, which I really love because then I could just burn a little bit at a time. Sage is really good to get rid of negative energy, and I find myself using little crushed up pieces more than the bundle, just because I feel like there's less waste, and these are just quick and you can air them out, burn them really quick, so I love this. So they also give you a little affirmation card right here. This is really cute. So it says, affirmation for ownership. I can pick and choose what I want to do. I love these little cards and fun stuff like this because I like to put them on my fridge, or I like to put them on mirrors. I like to put them in my journal. It's just really nice reminders and just really positive things. The next thing I see is in this really cute baggie, and I think it's a crystal. So yeah, it is. And it is a tiger's eye crystal. If you guys can see this tiger's eye crystal, it is so pretty. So tiger's eye is really good for courage, willpower, confidence, pushing energies through, and just really kind of getting your way, the power of persuasion, protection. It's a really good stone for protection. So this I think I'm going to keep under my bed or like near my mattress. It's really nice and pretty, and I don't have a piece like this one, so I'm excited for this. I love when they give crystals because you could just put crystals all over your house. The next thing I see here is a Hamsa sticker. I love the Hamsa hand. I have it all over my house. It's a symbol of protection and good fortune, good health, and all of that stuff. So this sticker I can put on my fridge, my journal. This is really pretty. The next thing that I see here is another baggie, and I think maybe there's another crystal in it. It's a bracelet. This is so pretty. Okay. It's a rose quartz bracelet. It smells really good. It smells like it's laced with oils. That's really nice. Okay, so if you guys can see, here is what the rose quartz bracelet looks like. It's really pretty, really well made. And I don't know what that is, but it looks like an elephant. So that kind of reminds me of Ganesh. So I'm excited for this. The next thing I see here is another baggie. I really like that they package everything really nicely in these little baggies, and I can keep these to keep herbs in them or keep crystals in them, or like you could do so many things with these little bags. So this is a necklace that is really pretty. Let's see, let me untangle this so you guys can see it. Okay, if you guys can see it, it is a yellow apatite Waning Crescent necklace. I do not have a yellow apatite crystal. One of the first crystals I ever had was a blue apatite, and I still have it, and it's for creativity, so I'm excited about this. It says here that the waning crescent moon symbolizes the end of an old cycle and the start of an approaching new one. Perfect timing for that to come into my life right now. My birthday is coming up, so it is the end of a complete old cycle. And then yellow apatite is really good for clearing away confusion, apathy, negativity, and then to stimulate your intellect to expand knowledge and truth. for personal growth and manifestation. Love it. I know the power of apatite stones. I think that's how you say it, but I've only ever worked with the blue, and I love the blue. It kickstarted like my whole imagination. I love blue apatite. So I'm really excited to start working with the yellow apatite. The next thing I see here is another baggie. This one is pretty heavy and fat. I think it's another crystal. Yeah, it's a really big crystal. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a moss agate. Do you guys see how pretty? So this, I don't have any moss agate in my collection. It has a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches you to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth. Associated with the heart chakra. Okay, I have lately been getting into gardening so much. Like, I've never in my life been this into gardening. And that's really crazy that this stone came to me at this very moment in my life. I actually just gardened with my boyfriend this morning. It was really fun. It's very therapeutic for me. Okay, the next thing I see here, do you see this, you guys? Look at this. I don't know what that is, but it's so pretty. It looks so pretty. So this is a clear quartz energy generator. I've been wanting one of these. So having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. Wow, these generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. Clear quartz is a master healer. Yes, it is. It amplifies energy. It clears away negative energy. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate, and transmute energy. I think I'm going to keep this right next to my desk when I'm editing because it's so pretty visually, and it'll get rid of any clutter in my mind, right? So I'm really excited for this. Okay, it looks like that is everything in the box. If you guys are interested in anything in the box, I'm pretty sure they probably have it where you could just buy just the item. But if you want the whole box, way worth that $39 because look at everything you got. So many crystals. And wow, I'm excited to get into these, start working with these, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I have a 20% off code for you. Check out Mindful Soul's website, and I'll talk to you very, very soon.